Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make oats chili dosai. Very delicious and a very healthy breakfast recipe. This oats chili dosai helps in weight loss. It is a very filling and nutritious breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of roasted oats, 2 tablespoons of suji or rava, 2 tablespoons of gram flour. This helps in binding the ingredients. 1 onion very finely chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped, few curry leaves chopped, half teaspoon of chopped ginger, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix all the ingredients well with a spatula. Make sure all the ingredients are well spread. Now it's nicely done, so start to add little water at a time and mix it well. We're looking for a nice and thick batter consistency, so add water accordingly. Now we have it right, so close with the lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, so let's now open and check. Give the batter a quick mix. The suji has absorbed the water, so it's very thick now, so again add sufficient amount of water and mix it well. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Now our oats chili dosa batter is ready. Let's go and make the oats chili dosai. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. Spread it well. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. Add in a ladle full of batter in the center of the pan and spread it with a spatula. Make sure you spread it well. Make the dosa as thin as possible so that it is evenly cooked. Shape the edges. Let this cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 2 more minutes in medium flame. It's been 2 minutes and both sides are nicely cooked, crispy and ready. So let's now remove it. Now our delicious oats chili dosa is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of sambar and enjoy with your family and friends. Today let's check out how to make oats smoothie. We'll not be adding any sugar or milk in this recipe, so a very healthy and filling protein rich breakfast. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken quarter cup of oats in a small bowl. To this add 2 dates with the seeds removed. Add half cup of water and let this soak for 10 minutes. Always soak the oats in water before using to get the full benefits out of it. It's been 10 minutes and the oats is well soaked, so transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add 2 tablespoons of peanuts with the skin removed. Then add 1 ripe banana cut into pieces. Finally add half cup of water to this. I've added 1 cup of water in total. Grind this to a fine paste. Today I have taken a juicer jar. Transfer the oat smoothie to it. Top it with some chopped peanuts or almonds. Now our oat smoothie is ready. Serve it with a silver straw and enjoy with your family and friends. Today let's check out how to make Oats Pongal, a very healthy, quick and a delicious breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add quarter cup of moong dal. Dry roast for 5 minutes in low flame until you get a nice aroma. After 5 minutes, remove from the pan, clean wash it and pressure cook for 4 whistles and keep it ready. Now to the same pan, add half cup of oats and dry roast for 5 minutes in low flame. Then remove the oats from the pan and set it aside. Now to the same pan, add 3 cups of water. To this add half teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a quick mix and allow it to come to a boil. Then to this add the roasted oats and mix it well. Now after 3 minutes the water has reduced and the oats is almost cooked. So at this stage add the cooked moong dal and mix it well. Make sure no lumps are formed. Now to another pan, add a tablespoon of ghee. When the ghee melts, add 1 tablespoon of cashews. Roast it well for 2 minutes until it turns golden brown. Then to this add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 green chilli chopped, few chopped ginger, few curry leaves and a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Mix it well in low flame. Now add the sauteed ingredients to the pongal and mix it well. Now a delicious and healthy oats pongal is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some sambar and chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss dinner recipe, oat soup. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When the oil is hot, add 4 shallots chopped. Shallots are rich in minerals, vitamins and trace elements. Saute for a minute. Then add half cup of oats. Oats is a very healthy ingredient. It lowers cholesterol levels, very good for your heart health, lowers blood sugar levels and helps in weight loss. Mix it well for a minute in low flame. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of chopped beans. Beans are rich in proteins, antioxidants, reduces the risk of cancer and heart diseases. Mix it well. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of chopped carrots. Carrots are rich in calcium and vitamin A and K. They lower diabetics and strengthen your bones. Mix it well. Then add a tablespoon of sweet corn. Sweet corn are rich in fiber. It aids digestion, reduces risk of heart diseases and strokes. Mix it well. Then to this add a tablespoon of peas. Peas are a good source of vitamin C and E. It helps to reduce inflammation and lowers risk of chronic conditions. Mix it well. Then add half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder and quarter teaspoon of ginger powder. Give it a good mix. Then add 3 cups of water. Mix it well. Let's wait until it's nicely boiling. Now it's nicely boiling. Cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. It's been 10 minutes and our oat soup is nice and thick. To this, add quarter teaspoon of mixed herbs and quarter teaspoon of crushed pepper. Mix it well and off the flame. Now a healthy weight loss dinner is ready. So try it away and enjoy with your family and friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.